You're in a treat, folks. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it with another review. This time we're looking at the Monster DNA Max, the little brother of the Monster, the DNA 1. These are two fantastic Bluetooth speakers. I'm putting through the test with my own music. So sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, folks, and cue the intro. So let's start with the smaller of the two, the Monster DNA 1. Now this has the same design and aspects of the DNA Max. It's just a smaller version, and it has that kind of rugged speaker fabric that encloses on the front and the back with plastic on the top and on the side. You'll also notice that the Monster logo is nicely located on the side with the USB-C port on the bottom. And that's because you could also use this as a backup battery pack to charge your mobile devices like your smartphone when you're in a pinch. Other than that, IPX67 water resistance rating, so it's going to be able to handle the elements. Here is the DNA Max. You can notice that it is a little bit larger, about 2.5 inches taller, which still makes it look significantly taller. You got nice big buttons on the front. Again, the same USB charging on the side. These are omnidirectional speakers, so when you hear the sound, it doesn't matter where you're situated, it's going to sound the same no matter what position you are around the speaker. Big buttons, super easy to use, pairs with your smartphones and your tablets. Why don't we go ahead and take a listen to see how they sound so you can judge it for yourself. And this is music that I've written myself, so you're in for a treat. It's something I wrote, geez, in 2005. Very, very clear. You can hear those strings, those plucks.
Maximum volume.
It tells you when it's at max volume as well. And a good blend of the low, the mid, and the high. So it's not like overly bassy. It's bright, but a lot of low end at the same time. Very, very clear. And again, that omnidirectional sound is what really separates the speaker. Because even if I'm sitting on the side, it sounds the exact same. As that camera moves around, throughout this whole demonstration, you'll notice that the sound doesn't really change. Only when I move back, like right now. So let's go ahead and listen to the DNA Max. And we'll specifically try to listen to that low end. Listen to the kick of the drum that's coming up now. Very clear, punchy, and a good overall blend of the lows, the mids, and the highs. Very, very impressed, I must say, with the sound quality. And again, that omnidirectional sound,
Maximum volume.
pumping it up to maximum volume with that sexy British voice. What's there not to like, folks? See, look at it. Going on the backside, it still sounds good. Super clear. Gotta love it. And it gets better, because once you start to pair both of these speakers together, you're going to have a party mode. Speaking of which, let's go and show you how you can set both of these speakers together. It's really, really simple. That's what it sounds like when you turn it on.
Bluetooth connected.
That's what it sounds like when it's connected. And here's how you initiate party mode. So on the Max, I'm going to hold the party button or the
Party
Monster
mode
button.
pairing.
It's now in pairing mode. You go to the other
Bluetooth
one,
disconnected.
it disconnects. But then,
Bluetooth paired.
oh yeah, they're in sync. Check it out. Now let's go ahead and see what this sounds like, because you got both of them. They're going to play the same thing at the same time. Wirelessly. Look, I moved that to the side just to make sure I can hear it. So this one on the side. Yep, playing from that one too. Now I'm going to back up, so I want to see how this sounds. Same time, same speakers, together. But here's the question. What happens when you move them a little bit farther apart from each other? Are they going to kind of disconnect? Are they going to lose that wireless connection? There's only one way to find out. Let's grab one. Not only am I moving it far away, I'm moving it at different heights on the ground. I was wondering, noticed about that with Bluetooth, if there was an issue about height. Now I'm taking the other one, I'm going to put it also on the ground. And that's got to be over 20 feet. Once you see it here, you back up. I'll show you how far they are. And they're connected still to that tablet. But still, quite a ways away. And look, no latency, no delay. You come up to it, and it sounds great. What's crazy is that both of these are omnidirectional. So you're hearing it from the front, the back, or the side. It doesn't matter. So you put this in the middle during a party. Everyone's going to hear the music. It's completely wireless, and you can use it indoors too as a wireless multi-room speaker. So there's a lot to like about these speakers. I am very, very impressed, folks, with the Monster DNA series, both the 1 and the Max. If you are in the market for Bluetooth speakers, get 2 of them. These are the best pairing out of anything that I've seen, so definitely worth checking out. Well, I'm Andy Baryer. Handy Andy, make sure you like, subscribe, leave your comments below, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.